Today, arrests come on the back of investigations, particularly at the Auckland International Airport, where we have uncovered a group of criminals smuggling drugs from the United States into the airport. And today we have continued this investigation by a further 14 arrests, again involving both people working at the border and organised crime, gangs, smuggling drugs, bypassing security at our border and bringing drugs into our community. On top of that, we've seized over $3 million in assets, taking the profits from this criminal group out of their hands.
Transnational organised crime is playing on the reputation of low risk in New Zealand, and the risk environment has completely changed for us. They piggyback on legitimate supply chains, and customs has the balance between facilitation of legitimate travel and trade and the enforcement that is required to protect this.